Hello everyone, my name is Samyama. I'm studying first year EC at Srinivas Institute of Technology. Today I'm going to talk about innovation idea of smart water conservation. Introduction to smart water conservation. A smart water conservation system refers to a set of technology and practices designed to optimize water usage and reduce wastage through intelligence monitoring, management, and control. This system leverages various sensor, data analysis, and automation technology to enhance water efficiency in homes, buildings, landscapes, and agriculture settings. Function of smart water conservation. A smart water conservation system utilizes advanced technology to monitor, control, and optimize water usage. Here are some key functions of a smart water conservation. Real-time monitoring, lag detection, water usage analytics, automated irrigation control, water consumption. Advantages of smart water conservation. Smart water conservation system offers several advantages over traditional water management approaches. Here are some key advantages of implementing a smart water conservation. Efficient water usage, cost savings, environment sustainability, lag detection and prevention, data-driven insights, remote monitoring and control. Disadvantage of smart water conservation. While smart water conservation system offers several advantages, there are also some potential disadvantages to consider. Cost of implementation, technical complexity, reliance and connectivity, data privacy and security, user learning curve. Thank you.